case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the Supreme Court of Georgia's 1874 case, Stern v. State, the central pivot rested on the necessity of discerning intent to commit or criminal negligence for the establishment of guilt. The defendant faced accusations of allowing a minor to participate in games at their table absent parental consent. Evidence presented suggested that the defendant was possibly mistaken about the minor's age, an element that the county judge overseeing the case inadequately examined. The subsequent guilty verdict, therefore, rested on grounds that the majority opinion, penned by Judge McKay, labeled as inadequate. Detailing the foundations of the crime, the majority opinion emphasized the necessity of both an act and intent, or alternatively, criminal negligence. Without these crucial components, the defendant's act of permitting the minor to play at their table couldn't serve as definitive evidence for guilt. Further complicating the matter was the presence of evidence indicating that the defendant may have genuinely misunderstood the minor's age. The majority opinion stressed that if a reasonable inquiry led the defendant to an honest belief that the minor was not, in fact, a minor, then guilt could not be attributed. Despite these intricacies, the trial judge opted to overlook the suggestion of an honest mistake made by the defendant, subsequently leading to a guilty verdict. The judgment, however, was overturned by the Supreme Court of Georgia due to this disregard of key case elements. Stipulating a new understanding of the evidence, the case was remitted for retrial. If the defendant, based on their inquiry, indeed believed the minor was of legal age, the court reasoned, they could not be held guilty. The court admonished the county judge for failing to sufficiently weigh in the possibility of an honest mistake concerning the minor's age. Thus, the case retrial was ordered under this fresh interpretation of the law.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.